Good afternoon, everybody. So, part of what we do here, the Delaware Mortuary Museum, we like to restore, or at least refurbish, some of the items we get in. So this here is one of those Holy Grail pieces. This is a Neon Crucifix. So I have it partially disassembled. The neon doesn't work. I'm suspecting it's a loose electrical connection. But look at this. It's pretty amazing. So all we're going to do, we're going to clean up that surround, replace this Lexan acrylic here, and then kind of clean up the edges, but we're not going to do like a full-on restoration where we're painting this or doing an ultra cleanup. We just want to preserve it, get the electrical worked out, see if it'll work. Hopefully it does. And then, yeah, hopefully we have a functioning Neon Crucifix. I think this is blue or purple, but we'll see. And yep, I'll post pictures of the progress. So to replicate the old plastic, instead of just cutting new plastic and it not being right, made a template, cardboard template. So it doesn't fit quite right. So that's why you make a cardboard. You can adjust before you do your final. Okay, so here's the final result. All I did was clean up the surround. There was paint all over it. Did a little reworking of the wiring. Had to clean it up, some loose connections, but luckily the neon works, as you can see there. I put a new Lexan panel in, so that way it preserves the patina that's inside. I didn't do any cleanup work. There we go. While the neon isn't super strong, and there's some fading spots, I kind of like how it goes from blue to purple.